Justin Bieber was booed by the entire crowd at a basketball game yesterday. The Believe hitmaker got a less than impressed reception from fellow sports fans at Los Angeles Staples Center when he took his mother to watch the Los Angeles Clippers take on the Oklahoma City Thunder in Game 4 of the NBA playouts. A source said, "The entire place booed him when Staples Center cameras put him on the Jumbotron." Despite getting booed at the game, which saw the Clippers edge a victory with a final score of 101-99, Justin and his mother appeared to have a great time and were seen posting for a number of selfies. Posting one picture of his mother holding a hot dog online, the Canadian singer wrote, "Took my mum to the game, she's more focused on the food." Justin and his mum were spending time together in honour of Mother's Day in America, and before they headed to the game, the Beauty and the Beat singer posted a tribute to his 38-year-old parent on Twitter. He wrote, "Happy Mother's Day to my amazing mum, Patti Millett. I love you with all my heart. Honour thy mother. Happy Mother's Day."